So we'll start the nuclear physics. First we'll discuss the atomic nucleus, its general properties. So the existence of atomic nucleus was first discovered by Rutherford through his alpha ray scattering experiment. Now in quantum mechanics we have learned that the atom can exist in various quantum states. In a similar way, the nucleus, which is also a very small, you can say the quantum particle, can also quantum particle or quantum system can exist in various quantum states. It is based on the energies. Various energy states can be there, or also angular momentum of the nucleus. Now the nucleus generally exists in the lowest energy or ground state. When we talk about the stable nucleus, it generally exists in lowest energy or ground state. Now the characteristics of the nucleus can be divided into two categories. One is static characteristics, another is dynamic characteristics. So what are static characteristics? When the nucleus is in ground state, then its properties such as nucleus charge, mass, size, shape, binding energy, angular momentum, magnetic moment, etc. are called the static characteristics. And what are the dynamic characteristics? When the nucleus is undergoing some kind of reaction, nuclear excitation, it is going to higher energy states, or there is radioactive decay of nucleus, then those characteristics are called dynamic characteristics. Now, what are the constituents of nucleus? We know it consists of two types of particles, elementary particles, proton and neutrons. The collectively protons and neutrons are called nucleons. The number of protons in the nucleus is called the atomic number, which is denoted by the symbol Z, and the number of neutrons in the nucleus is called the neutron number, which is generally used. Symbol is capital N. Now the sum of the number of protons and the neutrons is called the mass number. Generally mass number is denoted by the symbol A, which is equal to number of neutrons N plus number of protons Z. Now a particular species or type of nucleus is called nuclide. Suppose an atom X there is an atom and in simple we are using X. Okay. Then it has a mass number A and the atomic number is Z. Then the corresponding nuclide, that is the symbol of its nucleus, can be written like this: X, Z, A. So X is the atom and Z is the symbol of the atom. For example, if it is hydrogen, then the X will be H, for helium He, for oxygen O. Z is the number of protons and A is the number of mass number, that is total number of protons and neutrons. There is one example. Suppose helium 2H4 is the nucleus of helium atom, where the atomic number is 2, number of proton is 2, and the mass number is 4. Therefore the number of neutron is A minus Z, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Generally the symbol for proton is P and the symbol for neutron is N.